Okay, my goal here is to get this hooked up, and then we'll try it. And then also what I have to do in order to hook it up is I have to get the house squared away where the outlet comes for the water. Okay, I have sort of a situation here. Alright, I want to drill a hole all the way through the wall that I have, and the wall is almost the length of this area right here, which is 9 inches. So I'm going to have to drill it at least 8.5. So I have this extension, and it's got a 1/4 or a 3/8 inch adapter. Alright, and then I've got this socket, and this fits on there. It's a little bit sloppy, but here's the problem. See, I don't have a super long socket. All I got is this short one, so I'm going to have to put on pressure to go all the way through the wall. And what I want to do is I want to put in one of these. This is 1.5 inch pipe, and make sure that it's long enough. Yeah, it's long enough. I'm going to have to cut off a little bit. It's got a little notch in it right here. So that's where we're at. Well, right here. Here's the extension I got. Oh, this is the weak link right here where that socket is. But we'll do the best we can with it. Want to do is mark the location of how far to drill into. Well, I got myself in sort of a pickle here. I got to take this apart because I forgot to solder it. Okay, I changed it to silver bearing solder. B-E-A-R-I-N-G, bearing, silver bearing. Move all the stuff that are flammable out of your way. Now check your joint, make sure that it's all the way around. Yeah, the solder is all the way around. Okay, now. And what you do is, you hold this on the part, make sure you have it fluxed, and then you hold this on there until it melts. When it starts melting, take your flame away, like I did, and then keep feeding the solder into the joint. I'm not a plumber. I'm not a plumber, I just know how to do it. I've got it sort of propped up here. All right, now we got to put the flux in there. This joint's still hot, so the flux melts right away. But this part is cold. No flux on it yet. Put it on about 3/4 of an inch up. Take your solder, bend it like this. Get everything flammable out of your way. See how I hold the solder on the opposite side of the flame? Okay. Check your joint, see if it's okay, if it's all around. If you can't read this, it says universal thread seal. Okay, now I've got a threaded portion right here. I'll show you in just a minute. I've got a threaded portion right here. I've got a threaded portion here. This is male threads, female threads. Put some thread sealer on it. Make sure you get it all the way around. Okay. Now we're going to take this, tighten it a little bit. Make sure it's cool. Okay, it's cold enough. Don't tighten these vice grips too much. You'll squeeze it and then it will never work. I gotta start it with my hands. I cannot use the vice grips to start it. Ow. Or you can use two crescent wrenches if that's what you want to do. Okay, this is copper. Don't use all your strength. You'll strip the threads. I'm going to cut about a 16-inch piece of this hose. This is heater hose used for cars. I got this at Menards. See what it says on here. Made in China, huh? It says heater hose. Okay, now we're going to try to put it in here. Now I got to connect this one to that one.